Today we are going to demonstrate lab number 1. And what is lab number 1? Lab number 1 is this one. Lab number 1, write a Python script to take input for a number and print its multiplication table. We have to take some input from the users and we have to take the multiplication table. Alright, let's try to do. For that we need to open any Python editor. For this I'm going to use Jupyter Notebook. Okay, let's open this. Yes, this is my Jupyter Notebook. So let me go to my document and let's create a new file, new Python 3, and we can write our source code here. If you want, you can give this file rename and let's save it as class 12 lab number 1. Okay, and rename. Then the name of the file will be class 12 lab number 1. Now let's try to write the Python script, okay, the Python code for that multiplication. So we need to store some number. So let us try. Okay, let me increase a little bit. Num num should be the variable where we have to store the number input by the user, and I want that number to be integer, and I'm going to take input from the user, and then I am going to say enter any number. Okay, I'm going to say enter any number. You can press enter. In order to multiply, I need another integer. Let me call it as I, and I'm going to start from 1. So I'm going to start multiplying that number from 1. Then let us print some message, multiplication table. Let me simply print multiplication table. So in order to multiply, I'll need while loop. Okay, while I is less than or equal to 10, I'm going to multiply 1 to 10 of any number entered by the user. So this while will repeat that process. So what I'm going to do is num equal to, actually this is, okay, this is not required actually. Let me simply print num. I'm going to print the number entered by the user, and I'm going to say multiply by, and I'm going to print I, which will be 1 at the beginning, and I'm also going to say equal to, and I'm going to print the number multiplied by I, and then we need to increase I plus equal to 1. That means initially I will be 1, next I will be 2, and like that. So let's try to run this. You can click run, and it is prompting us to enter any number. Suppose if I enter 7 and then I press enter again, as you can see, 7 into 1, 7, 7 into 2, 14, and up to 10. Okay, this is your lab number 1, and you have to by heart this code, and you should be able to type these things without looking. Alright,